Welcome back to KSP Learning Channel. Today in this video, we are going to see about mail merge. So let's start. What is mail merge? Mail merge is a handy feature that incorporates data from both Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel and allows you to create multiple documents at once. It means that whatever letter you want to send to number of people, you will write that document, you will write that letter in Word, and you can merge that Word with your Excel file. In that Excel file, you will get the list of the recipient with their names and addresses. So, in short, we will merge the two applications, that is Word and Excel. So by using this mail merge, we can create multiple documents at once only, at one time only. Okay, and that will result to save your time and effort. So it will save your time and effort. No need to retype the same letter again and again. Mail merge works by pairing up one file, example an Excel spreadsheet, that contains individual data such as name, email address and other facts about your audience or customer with a second file. In this spreadsheet, what type of data it will contain? It will have the address list of the person with their name, address, phone numbers and email ID it can be. So the requirement to send any letter to a person, what is needed? We need the email address, we need the address of that person, we need the name, first name, last name, title. Okay, so these all are needed for sending any kind of letter to the person. So that address we will maintain in the data source, and that is what? Excel. Now, what are the different steps involved in mail merge? How we can do mail merge? So, first of all, we will create a main document, that is Word. In Word, you will write the letter that you want to send to your friend. It can be a letter, it can be a invitation card, it can be a envelope, etc. So, that document you will write in Word. After that, you will specify the data source. So, now what is data source? The data source consists of the recipient list, means the address of the person. Then defining the merge field in the main document. Then as soon as you specify the data source, the field's name will come under the merge field. So we will merge that data field in our main document. And finally we will save and export our file. So now uses of mail merge. What we can do by using this mail merge? We can make changes quickly to lots of letters. Then we can generate thousands of letters very quickly. If you want to send some letter to 1,000 people, then no need to write that letter 1,000 times. We will just write one letter and that letter can be sent to 1,000 people. So make easier to check letters for errors. If there is any errors in that letters, we can correct it easily. Can send letters to certain people. Now suppose in your address book, if there are 100 people and you want to send to only 10%, so we can select that particular people and we can send that specific letter to that specific person. You can save letters as a template and reuse. Once you have typed the letter, we can save it as a template and we can reuse that template. Letter can be personalized and the same database of people can be reused. So the database that you have created, that can be reused later on. Now we will see the step-by-step procedure to mail merge. Now the first step is what? Once you open your Word, you will get menu bar as shown in this figure. So if you will see at the last, The last tab is your mailing. In this case, the last tab is the mailing tab. So for doing mail merge, you have to click on this mailing tab. Once you have clicked on the mailing tab, you will get this start mail merge tab. So you have to click on this start mail merge. So the first step is select mailing tab from menu bar and click on the start mail merge. After that, once you have clicked on the start mail merge, you will get a number of options. So you have to click on this step-by-step mail merge wizard. Then you can select the document type for letter. So what kind of document you want to send to your friends, that type you have to select from this right side. You will get this window at the right side once you click on this start mail merge wizard. So we are going to send the letter. So I have selected the document type as letters. So click on it. And after that, you can type the letter of the body. So I have taken this example. Dear, as you know that day after tomorrow, that is on 15th November, is my birthday. So this letter is for what? To send invitation for the birthday party. So I have made this sample letter. Once this step is done, the next step is to create the address of your friend. So with that address, you will create that address in Excel. So for that, again, you will open your Excel file and you can give heading like this: first name, last name, address 1, address 2. So your friend name is Pranay Chaurasia and these are the address. So I have taken only 2 records. You can take n number of records. Once you have defined the data in this data source, we will save this file. I have saved this file with this address list name. Okay. So once this Excel file is saved with the address list, we can browse this data in our Word file. So now, once you have defined the address of the person, now the next step will be you have to select the recipient list from the mailing tab. So once you click on this use an existing list, you can see it here, use an existing list. So once you will click on this use an existing list, and after that you will get this browse option. So you have to click on this browse, and after that you will get this window. So this is the window to browse the Excel file that you have created. So you can see the address list was the file name where I have created the recipient list. So I will select this file name and I will click on this open tab. Once you will click on this open button, you will get this window in which you will get the number of sheets: sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. So my data was in sheet 1. So I will select the sheet 1 and again I will click on this OK button. Now if you want to edit, you can edit it. If you want to sort, if you want to filter some name, so you can do all these operations in this window. And then once you have selected the address of that person, you will get the field names in this insert merge field option. Okay, in this drop down you will get these merge field name. Whatever fields we have created in our Excel, that we will see in this pop-up window. So once you have clicked on the OK button, you will get the field names that we have created in the Excel in this insert merge field list. So click on the mail merge fields you want to add to your letter. Now suppose in this letter, first of all we will display the address, because we will display the address of the person to whom we are sending. So address 1, I will click on this field merge option. You have to just double click it. automatically this field will appear over here. Then address to, below address 1 you will get address 2. And dear, after dear you have to specify your friend name. So you will double click this first name field and you will get this first name after dear. So in this way you will merge these fields in your document. Now to preview the result. Now after merging the fields, you can see that letter with your friend's name and address. So for that you have to click on the preview result under this mailing tab only. This is your mailing tab and you can see this preview result. So once you have clicked on this preview result, you will get this navigation pane. So total 2 records we have. So you can see the second records also by clicking on this arrow. So this is our first record, and if you will click on this button, you will get the second record. Now once you have seen your result, preview your result, finally you can click on the finish and merge option to finish the word mail merge process. So finally you have to click on this finish and merge button to finish this process, and you will get these 3 options in this drop down list. One is the edit individual document, then print document and send email messages. So what is this edit individual document? If you want to edit each letter further separately. Now if you want to edit some details, then you can click on this edit individual document. If you want to print document, you have to just click on this print document. You can specify the page number and you can take the printout. And similarly, if you want to send this letter through the email, we can use this send email messages. So the contacts will be taken from the Outlook contact. You will get email ID from Outlook contact, and these letters that you have created for your friends can be sent automatically to your friend's email ID. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.